Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your server region on Discord. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it has changed slightly, and you can do this on either the app or the web-based application. In today's example, I'll be showing you how to do it on the web-based application. So what you want to do first is come across and log into your Discord account, and then you just want to come to the server that you're looking to change the region for. Originally, what you used to be able to do was click onto the drop-down box, come down to server settings, and what would happen is under your server name where it says server region, there was normally a drop down box here where you can actually click onto that and select the region for the server. So they've actually changed it slightly, and what they actually now do is basically they do it via each voice channel. But if you want to change any of these, you have to actually do it separately now. So if you come out of here and you go down to one of your voice channels, and what you want to do is click this gear icon which says edit channel next to the voice channel you want to change the region for. And then from here, what you want to do is just scroll down the page until you get to this option here which says region override. You can see it's currently set to automatic, which means basically it's automatically set where Discord will set a region based on your location. But if you want to change this, all you want to do is click on this drop down box, and you can choose the region from here. So you've got, for example, different parts of America. You've got US Central, East. Then you've got things like Japan, you've got Russia, you've got India, Brazil, Europe, etc, etc. So all you want to do is choose the one you want. And then you would just come down here and click the Save Changes. And that would now set that voice channel to Europe for the region. And you would just do it this way now for any voice channel. So that's basically the new way to do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.